channel, it's the LPS Cat here, opening a package from eBay. Yeah, let's see what it is. This massive package from the eBays. Put a couple address here. Okay, let's get this thing open. Got like scissors right here. Move! You stay. Stay, phone. Behave yourself. Thank you. Nope. Hey. That was rude. Okay, probably should get my... There. There. Stay. Stay, stay, stay. Let me see if I like it. Get loud, stop popping out the party now. Hey, get up, get loud, stop popping out the party now. I filmed this on Hannah Montana's anniversary, so happy 20th anniversary, Hannah Montana. Let's get this LPS open. What's in the box? Let's see, let's see, let's see. If I can, like, did I get it? Did I get it? Oh, I think I got it. Ugh. I think. Keyword being I think. There we go. There we go. But what is in this cute little box? Let's see what's in the box. What's in this cute little baggie? You really brought this one up. Nope. Ta-da! Whoa! Goodwill! Cool! He came from Goodwill. I got this LPS. Little gecko! Okay, so I was looking at, let's see. It's an LPS. Okay, there's context for this one. First, let's get him out. Here we go, this little lizard dude. Aw, he's cute. Look at this little fella. He's cute. Yes, I was just supposed to be a boy. Yeah. So I got this LPS for a reason. Okay, so I asked an LPS Discord about what LPS brands you sobble. This one and another one also people were saying, but I also know for this one and I got it. And the reason why I got it was because people said, let's see, this LPS ran the gecqua, and people kind of shit gecqua and sobble together, so they're totally dating, right? Yeah. So thinking of sobble, you can see kind of people like thought it's running them of Pokemon sobble. Yeah. So it said Pokemon around them, Pokemon gecqua. There's only gecqua merch yet, but there's probably gonna be soon once the new game comes out. I also got this little guy. Well, it didn't come with it, but I thought I'd put him in like a blue shirt to represent sobble as well. So yeah, maybe this will fit him. I don't know how like these people got these fit LPS for. Like there's originally like a blue shirt that comes with an LPS. Like how thick is on there? Okay, it's probably not gonna fit him. Guess I didn't try though. Oh well, maybe I'll put like a blue scarf on or something. But he's still really cute. Look at that, a couple. Mwah. Gecqua X sobble, kind of like LPS couple of inspired by those two. So yeah, that's why I got him. Yay! LPS couple. Mwah. Yeah. Aren't they cute? I think they're cute. I suppose quick little boxing video. Welcome to little guys to my channel. This is Soraya. I named this one Soraya, and I'm not sure to name this one guy yet. But yeah, maybe some sobble related, so I'll have to look for that. But yeah. Well, they're very cute. tap good. He bobble. They cute. They cute. Yay, couple. Mwah. Is that it? Thanks for watching. I'm Gecqua. Signing out. So see you. See you. Bus safe. See you next time. Bye.